If you want to know how to segment your audience by behavioral data in Mailchimp, you're in the right place. By the end of this video, you'll be able to target your email campaigns with precision, improve engagement, and boost conversions. Stay tuned to learn the exact steps to unlock the full power of Mailchimp segmentation tools. You can start using Mailchimp for free, and I've got a special bonus for you. Check the first link below for exclusive access to their extended free trial. Let's dive in. The first thing you need to understand is what behavioral data in Mailchimp actually means. It's all about tracking how your subscribers interact with your emails and website. This includes things like opening an email, clicking on links, or even making a purchase. The more data you have, the better you can tailor your marketing strategy. Now that we know what we're working with, the next thing you need to do is navigate to your Mailchimp account. Once you're logged in, go to the Audience tab. From here, you can either create a new audience or use an existing one. Make sure you have data on past interactions, as this will allow you to segment based on behavioral patterns. Next thing, let's talk about building a segment. You'll want to create a segment using behavioral triggers, like people who clicked on a link in your previous campaign or those who opened your emails but never clicked. To do this, click Manage Contacts and then Segments. Choose the conditions that best represent the behavior you're targeting, such as opened campaign or clicked a specific link. Mailchimp will then sort those people out for you automatically. The fourth thing you should know is using conditional logic to refine your segments. By adding multiple conditions, you can combine different types of behavior into one segment. For example, you can target people who both opened your email and clicked on a link in the same campaign. This allows for a hyper-targeted approach. Let's take it a step further. The fifth thing I want to show you is setting up automated workflows for these segments. With behavioral data, you can automate campaigns that trigger based on specific actions, like sending a follow-up email if someone clicks a link but doesn't make a purchase. This helps you nurture leads more effectively without having to do it manually every time. Finally, the sixth thing you can do is test and analyze. Don't just rely on your initial segment setup. Test different behavioral triggers to see which ones yield the best results. Use Mailchimp's reporting features to track your email performance and tweak your segments based on what works best. Now, I mentioned at the start that you could use Mailchimp for free, and here's your chance to take advantage of it. Check the link below for an exclusive extended free trial, which gives you full access to all these features and more. If you've been wondering how to segment your audience by behavioral data in Mailchimp, you now know exactly what steps to take. By applying these strategies, you'll be able to create personalized campaigns that really speak to your subscribers and increase your ROI.